Hi, I'm Hans Oru. I'm from University of Tartu. I'm professor of environmental health, and I'm working with climate change and health. In ENBEL project, we have been developing educational videos in order to give more information why climate change is important to our health. Often, we think about polar bears, some desert problems, flooding, but humans are as well as affected by the climate change. And those videos will give an overview why and what are the effects. The importance of climate change is increasing every year. So if the last summer seemed hot for you, some climate people have said this might be the coldest summer of your further lifetime. In ENBEL project, we have brought together climate change and health people. We have altogether 70 partners, mostly from Europe and Africa. That's our main focus. And we are doing cooperation also with experts from other continents. The ENBEL project aims to build a bridge between climate change, health research and policy making. We want to give information how to get into low carbon and climate resilient future. In the project, we have also mapped the focus points and the vulnerabilities. On this graph on the left side, you can see different climate hazards. Some of those are especially important, for instance, heat. We have environmental heat, as a heat waves outside, but we have occupational heat. People are working in really hot conditions. And we have air pollution. Regarding air pollution, we can have increased emissions because of climate change, but also wildfires. All this grows into the health risks. We have a risk for cardiovascular respiratory system, for the kidney disease related to the heat waves, as well as mental health and infectious diseases and vector-borne diseases. Amongst the populations, some of the people are especially vulnerable. For instance, children, the elderly, minorities, also people with chronic disease. Sometimes also women are more vulnerable, as well as people in poorer areas. In the following videos, we will focus on air pollution, also environmental occupational heat, as well as some special vulnerable groups. And we think about what are the costs related to those health effects and how those risks can be mitigated, adapted, and how this system should be financed. In those short videos, you will see how climate change actually affects our health and also what we can do to reduce those risks.